Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword. It's the first impression your home makes on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. While landscaping and exterior paint often get attention, windows play an equally important role in shaping your home's overall appearance. The right window style can instantly refresh and elevate a property's look. For homeowners in Austin, double-hung windows offer a timeless design that enhances curb appeal while delivering everyday functionality. A classic style that fits any architecture, double-hung windows have long been a favorite for their balanced, symmetrical design. Featuring two vertically sliding sashes, they create a clean and structured look that complements many architectural styles. In Austin neighborhoods, where homes range from traditional to modern, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with different exteriors. Their versatility makes them a reliable choice for maintaining architectural harmony. Creating a clean, updated exterior. Older windows with peeling paint, warped frames, or outdated finishes can make a home look tired, even if the rest of the exterior is well maintained. Upgrading to new double-hung windows instantly refreshes the facade of Austin homes. Crisp frames and smooth finishes create a polished, well-cared-for appearance that enhances overall curb appeal. Enhancing symmetry and visual balance. Symmetry plays a key role in attractive exterior design. Evenly spaced and consistently styled windows create a pleasing, cohesive look. Double-hung windows in Austin homes contribute to this sense of balance. Their uniform proportions and structured design enhance both small and large properties. Customizable frame colors and finishes. Today's double-hung windows are available in a variety of finishes that complement different siding materials and trim colors. Austin homeowners can choose frame colors that coordinate with brick, stucco, or painted exteriors. This customization allows windows to either blend in for a subtle look or stand out as a design feature. Maximizing natural light from the outside. Windows affect not only how your home looks from the street but also how light interacts with the facade. Double-hung windows allow generous natural light into Austin interiors. From the outside, this brightness contributes to a warm and inviting appearance. Elevating entryways and porches. Windows frame important exterior elements such as front doors and porches. In Austin neighborhoods, double-hung windows enhance these focal points by adding structure and proportion. Their design supports an organized, visually appealing exterior. Long-lasting beauty with low-maintenance. Curb appeal is not just about immediate impact, it's about maintaining that appearance over time. Modern double-hung windows are built for durability and require minimal upkeep. Austin homeowners benefit from frames that retain their finish and resist common signs of aging. Increasing property value. Exterior upgrades often influence home value. Buyers are drawn to homes that appear updated and well-maintained. Double-hung windows in Austin properties signal thoughtful improvements. Even if you are not planning to sell, this upgrade adds long-term value and pride of ownership. A timeless investment. Trends may change, but classic window styles remain appealing. Double-hung windows have stood the test of time, making them a dependable choice for enhancing curb appeal in Austin neighborhoods. Their clean lines and versatile design ensure they remain attractive for years to come. Transforming first impressions. Your home's exterior tells a story before anyone steps inside. For homeowners in Austin, double-hung windows provide a practical and stylish way to enhance curb appeal. By improving symmetry, refreshing the facade, and supporting long-term durability, these windows help create a welcoming, polished look that stands out in any neighborhood.